Phase and deflection analysis of plate with hole. Here is one plate with a central hole having dimension, plate dimension 100 by 100, central hole radius 20 mm, material properties mentioned, Young's modulus, Poisson's ratio, and the boundary conditions mentioned. Now we'll solve this problem using ANSYS. Now how to start the ANSYS? First click on the start menu, all program, then ANSYS, and click on the mechanical APDL. Once you click on the mechanical APDL, the new window will open in this format. Okay, so this is your graphics ANSYS graphic user interface. Now we'll solve this problem. We'll complete all these three steps: pre-processor, processor, and post-processor. Now first is preferences. Go to preferences, structural. Okay, then the pre-processor. You have to define element here. For structural, for plate element, it is solid and quad 4 node 182. Solid, quad 4 node 182. Okay, close. The next step is material property, material model, structural, linear, elastic, and isotropic. As per the mention in the problem, Young's modulus is 2.1 E5 and the Poisson's ratio is also given 0.3. So close this. Then next is modeling. You have to model this. So Boolean, create rectangle by two corners. This value is 0, 0, 100, and this is also 100. Okay, inside that rectangle there is one circle, solid circle. The center point is 50 and this is also 50 and the radius is 20. Okay, I can see here circle. The next is you have to subtract that circle from the rectangular plate. So operate booleans, subtract, and area. So first select total area should be red, then click on apply, then select only center area. We want only center area should be red. Okay, so only center area should be red. Then next is your meshing. Now to mesh this mesh tool, then click on global. Here you can give the element edge length, suppose 5, then mesh. Okay, so this is your meshing. Then you have to apply the boundary condition as mentioned in the problem. Left hand side totally constant, all degree of freedom 0, and the right hand side you have some values. So boundary condition, load, define load, apply, and structural, and then displacement on line, apply, all degree of freedom 0. Okay, then next is force. But here you can see the force or movement can be given on the node or key point, but we want that total load on the line, so on area, total area. So it is, you take pressure on line, select that line, apply, but keep in mind the pressure value is always compressive in nature, so we'll give here -1000. Okay, then once the pressure is applied, so go to solution, solve current ls. Okay, the solution is done. Then we'll check the output. General post processor, contour plot, nodal solution, and here we'll check first DOF solution, displacement vector sum. Okay, you can see this output, maximum displacement, minimum displacement. Similarly, you can check the stress intensity. So here at the center the maximum stress occurs. So this way you can check all the output. And if you want to check the animation, go to plot control, animate, deform result, and here you can check DOF solution, stress, any animation you can check. Click OK. So this is your animation. Here you can change the speed. Okay, so this way